Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, place to sell your used screen printing equipment and other related printing stuff. So I thought I could do a better job on solid state relays, and so I made a diagram to illustrate how these work. So basically, this is your heat controller or PID, and this would be, which it is not, a thermocouple. Let's just say it is. And this is always next to or inside of your IR panel. And it measures heat. It says, I have not reached temperature, I haven't reached 800 degrees. And it'll send it to this PID or heat controller. And that will send a signal to the relay to turn on electricity so the IR panel can go on. So we're going to go through that, and sometimes they'll use a PLC as well. And for the most part, these relays are on screen printing equipment are DC and AC, and these are not, this part and this part, this is what gets people confused. These are not, this circuit is not part of that circuit. They are separate. And so, but this part will enable the high voltage AC. This is DC. So this is just a signal to tell the solid state relay, which there's a circuit board, that it's time to turn on the juice to the IR panel. Okay. So this is just a switch here, and this is just a switch here. So I will show you. Okay, so let's do the story again. Okay, we're at 750 degrees, and we need to be at 775. This sends this signal, which is hooked up to the back of this. And it says, we are not the right temperature. And this says, okay, we need to turn the voltage on to get it to 775 degrees. So this volts DC will send it to, well, these will, the A2, which is the negative volts DC, and the A1, which is positive. This is always hooked up. The signal goes through the A2. So if we take a look at this, here's your heat controller sending, when it's ready to tell this relay to turn on, it will go from here, and there will be a gate, or on and off. It's normally open, so when it sends electricity and it goes, it will close this, and you'll have A1, A2 closed, and that will mean that electricity can flow. Turn on this LED. There's a little LED right here, and enable this one, which is L1, which is the voltage going into this. That's the supply, and this is a wire to the IR panel or anything else that would work. So the L1 is normally open again, meaning electricity can't flow unless this LED is turned on from your thermocouple and your heat controller. So this gate will swing down. AC will flow into here, and then it will be closed so it can go to your IR panel. And once that this thermocouple reaches your 775 degrees, it will send a signal, which is back to this heat controller, and say, we've reached that degree, and it will open up this circuit again. And that opens that up, and that opens this one up as well. So no electricity can flow to this IR panel, and it can heat up. So that's the basics of SSR relays. I hope that helped. The last one was kind of jumbled. I think This is the understanding. So, because look at this. This is volts DC. Look how much bigger these lug screws are compared to these volts DC. You're not going to get, it doesn't go from here to here. It goes from here to here. And these are normally open. And when you put electricity, they close. And then here's your LED. And in here, you have the circuit. And that tells this to be a normally open circuit to a normally closed, so electricity can flow to your IR. So that's it. I'm trying to explain it the best I can. Thank you. Go to my site, watch these videos, learn more about this stuff, because I'm expensive when I come to repair your equipment. Or you can call me. I'm half rate, and I will help you fix your machinery. So like these videos, continue to watch. I'll teach you a lot of stuff. Thank you. Bye.